Hello crafters, welcome to today's video from Created Home with GE, Gareth here. Today I'm going to be doing something that I had an idea of, and then my friend on YouTube, Danielle from Danielle's Decor, did a video tutorial almost exactly what I had envisioned in my head. Like we all say, there's no original ideas, but she's also doing a Nutcracker theme in her home this Christmas of 2020, and as I am in my hallway. Now, I found some of these items in my local high street and some from Amazon. I got the red glitter ribbon from Pound Stretchers. You get a 2-meter roll and it was £1 per roll. And then I got this gold metallic ribbon. It was 3 for £4 from B&M, and it's 2.7 meters long. It's got some of those. I got this gorgeous cord, this gold cord. I'll put up the measurements on the screen because I got this from Amazon and I don't remember the dimensions, but I got this beautiful gold cord. If I can get it out. Is that the wrong bit? Yes. Is this the right bit? Yeah. I got this beautiful gold cord on Amazon. So I will link the Amazon things below, just as I got this set of 3 round boxes. Now I think I'm going to keep one red, but the other 2 I think I'm going to paint. They all come with these plastic inserts, which in their own right could be used as another craft. I don't think I'm going to be using the lids, so I can use these lids as risers in my decor. So I'm not going to throw those away. So I think I want one red, one green and one blue, so I am going to have to paint them. So I'm going to use just acrylic paint for that. So what I will do is I will paint the sides and I will paint the top white. I think I'll do the medium one with you on camera. So I think for the red one I'm going to use the gold ribbon, and then on the other 2 I'll probably use, I could use the gold on one of them and the red on the other. So let me get to painting them. So I think I'm going to have the large one, keep that in the red, and then do these, paint these, one red, one green. So let me dig out my acrylic paints. Okay crafters, so I have my paint tray. As you know, I tend to always put a tray on my work surface just so I don't get paint all over it. And I'm going to paint the larger one in the red and the smaller one in green. So let's bring that one over. And they are cardboard construction, so sturdy cardboard construction. They'll probably take a couple of coats. I don't know at this stage if maybe I should have done a gesso white coat underneath. I suppose we'll learn together, because I imagine that this is going to soak up quite a bit of the paint. Now I was ideally looking for, and Danielle from Danielle's Decor used what I'm just going to talk about, and that's the paper mache boxes. You can get them and they're just in the brown, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I couldn't find them on eBay, couldn't find them on Amazon, but I found these and thought, well, I can just paint them, which I would have had to paint the other ones anyway, so not that much difference. Remembering to paint the underside, but I don't really need to worry about that at the moment. Let's just get this done. Whoop, and drop it all over the place and get paint all over myself. So what I'm going to do, crafters, is I'm going to give this a couple of coats, and then I will come back to camera with both of the drums painted, both the blue and the green, and I'll let you know how many coats it took.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry...
Okay, crafters, so that's them all done. As you can see, this one went kind of purple, obviously because the box was red and the paint was blue, which is fine, and this one is the lovely green. So I've cut my gold ribbon in half to give me 1 inch, and what I did is I just folded it in half and then cut down the center. And I've done the same with the red glitter ribbon. So I really think I want to use the red glitter ribbon on the blue one, and probably the gold on the green. So the way I've cut it, I think I'll have the finish edge to the top, and then I may even do it so it goes that way and I have a finished edge on both. You don't really see a seam. Okay, let's glue it down. Let's glue it down and see where this takes us. So I've got my hot glue, and what I've decided to do, crafters, is I think I'm going to turn one of these into a floral arrangement, just like Danielle did. I'll probably use this one that I'm doing now, and so that'll be tomorrow's video. So I'm kind of going to make this week into a series, and then hopefully on Friday, sorry not Friday, on Thursday, you'll see a decorate with me of how I've used these in my home. So today, Tuesday, you're seeing the create these, inspired by the lovely Danielle. Then tomorrow you'll see me do the floral arrangement, and then Friday you'll see not all of the places I'm going to use these, as I may use them in different places, but you will see where I end up putting part of them. I think I might use the floral arrangement possibly on top of my freezer, which is in the hallway. So I'll probably bring you that video on Friday. So that'll be the decorate with me. So it won't be a long video, but it'll just give you an indication of where I've put them. Okay, crafters, let's move on to the bit at the top. Oh, got a bit of white paint there. I'll have to touch that up. So, a bit of hot glue on the ribbon.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I was debating whether I should put some of this on the top or on this in the center there. I quite like the look of that, just to do something different, because I don't want, as much as I want them all to match, I also want them to have their own personality. So we're going to put some hot glue just there, and I'm going to sink this gold cord in. I will advise you, crafters, to get hold of some of those finger protectors or a spatula. I tend to use a spatula quite often when I'm using hot glue, because with this project you may well burn your fingers, so please take care.
Oh, bring us a figgy
Okay, crafters, I've just used my finger and gone over some areas where the white came through. So that's that one done. I'm going to leave that one like that. All these glue strings drive you mad. Okay, let's move on to the green one. Okay, so the green, I'm going to use the gold ribbon. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to have it so that the neater edge faces down and the rougher edge faces up. We're going to glue that on. Okay, crafters, so that's all that done. Now I'm going to do a zigzag pattern using my gold cord. Now I'm still using the very first one. I haven't even broken into because I can't remember if they came singly or they came in a pack of 2. I'll put on the screen how they whether it's a pack of 2 or a pack of 1. I just can't remember. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off on the back here. I'm going to put some hot glue. Now this is definitely where you're going to need a spatula or those finger what's-its you can get, because you may burn yourself, so just be warned and please be careful. And I'm going to go up and over like that. So I'm going to put a V shape of glue here, not too much, just enough, hopefully that was in camera. This is the bit where you need your finger dabbers or your spatula. I'm going to go up and we're going to do another V shape. And I'm going to do that all the way around this drum. Now you definitely can mark your spaces, but I'm just going to eyeball it. But do what is best for you. If your glue gun is anything like Minecraft, you're going to end up with lots of glue strings everywhere. So that's that, and then I think I'm going to put something in the middle of each peak, as I did. Oh, let me show you the large one. Here is the large one that I have done, and I just got I had some rather large red berries, so I just cut the stems off and glued them on. So I'm hoping that I can find some bells in my stash. Yeah, I knew I had some bells. So I'm hoping I'm going to have enough. So how many peaks do I have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. I'm hoping I've got 6 bells here I can use. 1, 2. Oh no, they're different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like I've got 2 colours as well. Are they gold or are they all gold? No, I think they're all gold. Okay, so let's stick in some of these bells just underneath the join there. I think I'm going to angle them slightly. Silver to me. Every time I turn them over they look silver, but I'm not sure if they're silver or gold. Not that I don't think it'll make much difference. Okay, crafters, so I think that's that done. Let me get tidied up and I'll bring them all to camera to show you. Okay, crafters, here is the end result. And I'm really happy with the way that they turned out. I'll have a link for the boxes and the cord. They're from Amazon. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I am going to go in and neaten this up slightly because as you can see it's a bit messy. But considering they're homemade, I think they look rather decent. So join me tomorrow where I make the flower arrangement using one of these. And then on Friday we'll do a bit of decorating. No, not Friday, Gareth. Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week. Okay, speak to you soon, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye now.